offering an outdoor pool and a spa and wellness center. Bahia featuring an outdoor pool, free Wi-Fi access, and a spa. Bahia Principe Grand Tulum is located in Acumal, Mexico. A flat-screen satellite TV, telephone, and alarm clock are included in each room. A mini bar, refrigerator, and coffee machine are also furnished. Free toiletries and a hairdryer are provided in all private bathrooms. A tennis court and fitness center are featured at the Bahia Principe Grand Tulum, as well as 9 bars and 4 restaurants. A water park, nightclub, and adjacent casino are also available for guests to enjoy. Acton Chen Natural Park is 2.7 miles from the hotel, X-Castle Beach is 6 miles away. And XEL Hall Park is 11 minutes drive away from the Bahia Principe Grand Tulum all-inclusive. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.